So here it comes again. Cowboy's right over there to the left of the guy in the big hard hat, and he's got the box, so he's controlling the arm and bringing everything out, of course, and it just spins and turns, and he gently drops it right where it needs to go. It's awesome. And of course, it's no coincidence, all the neighbors want to come out and see the job. There's Santa Claus and his wife, and Chase, making sure his blades are sharp. There's that sucker. Yeah, put it right there so the big county guys can come by with their equipment and remove the debris. So, I mean, that's a big branch. And see, this is where they save lives, because workers die trying to remove branches like this by cutting off one little bitty log at a time. This is the way to do it, the safe way. Hey, this is Robert Steffen with Stacoa Construction Services LLC, 713-201-4712. Disaster relief tree removal done safely, quick, and best of all, your insurance company, they actually pay for it. It doesn't take long to get approval, but as you can see, this is the safe way to do it. Look at this branch, and it's just sliding right over here towards me. And we're going to gently put it down, and that's a lot of tree. Look at that freaking articulating claw, for lack of a better word. I don't know what to call it. I heard somebody, they were talking about slings. So what is these guys with the ropes, you know, that don't have this equipment, they use slings too, but they do it physically?
So come again one more time. Running off that 500 horse coming. But it's only pumping like 41 gallons.
Running off the truck motor.
Truck PTO power.
Yeah, so, all the hydraulics and everything.
Absolutely. Truck mounted enough for both grand.